A is for adventure, come with me. B is for butterflies dancing free. C is for caves where echoes play. D is for deer who leads the way. E is for echo calling back. F is for fireflies lighting the track. G is for gems that glow so bright. H is for hills in golden light. I is for ivy climbing tall. J is for journey through it all. K is for keys that open doors. L is for lakes with shining shores. M is for moonlight soft and white. N is for nest cozy at night. O is for owls who softly sing. P is for petals in the spring on earth. Q is for quiet, peace all around. R is for raindrops touching the ground. S is for stars that twinkle high. T is for trail where fairies fly. U is for unicorn shining bright. V is for vines curling tight. W is for wishes whispered true. X is for silo tunes played by dew. I is for yesterday, stories we made. Z is for zoom through forest shade. Now our ABC magic for a song is done. Learning was easy.